add the sprinkles. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now the taste test. Are you ready for a fun day today?
Yes.
Yes. You guys are gonna get in trouble if you keep on running in the store.
Gonna kill this boy.
You guys are gonna...
What?
You do know there are cameras in the store, right?
I know.
And you're gonna get in trouble for that.
Oh, okay.
Why are you sitting there? You're gonna get caught. You guys are gonna get caught. Oh yeah, guys, if you didn't know, I made a gameplay video with David, and after making the gameplay video, I tried to edit it on sunny Vegas, and it didn't turn out well. Here's the clip. How's it going? Hey, how's it going, sunshine? He knows the camera. He knows the camera. Hey, what a happy dog.
Sunshine, give me paw. Like this.
What a happy dog.
I think she just wants to... Her paw feels so weird.
Where did you just land? Pleasant Park?
Pleasant.
The key? Try to look for a treasure chest in there.
What?
You died.
I jumped.
By Eelt Kinley, whatever that says. Okay, so, guys, today we're gonna make brownies, but we're not just gonna make regular brownies. We're gonna make marshmallow brownie ice cream cake. So these are what we have: the brownies mix. We have the jet puff marshmallows over here. We got ice cream in the fridge, but we have sprinkles. We're gonna add sprinkles to that, and we got eggs right over here. All right, let's start this. Okay, let me just open this box up so I can pour in the mix. There we go.
Look at all that mix.
Alright, got the mix in there.
It looks like, it looks like chocolate sand.
Chocolate, yeah. We're gonna make a lot of brownies.
And marshmallows.
Alright, what does the ingredient say? For cake-like brownies, we use 3 tablespoons of water. Okay. This is 1 tablespoon.
Oh, it's starting to look like chocolate now. Look at that chocolate.
Now we need 1/2 cups of vegetable oil. Alright, this is a 1/2 cup. Just put that in there. And there we go. Remember, we're just gonna make cake-like brownies.
Cake-like brownies.
And the last thing we need is 2 eggs. I have 2 eggs over here. I'm not good at cracking eggs,
but I can. I can. Can I crack the other one? 2.
There we go.
It looks like a mountain, the chocolate mountain.
Yeah, so we can just go ahead and stir that up. You don't have to angry. Wait. Now we can go ahead and stir this up.
I feel like you need to add more water.
Oh, look at that.
That's starting to look good.
Exactly.
Homemade.
Almost look like chocolate pudding there, guys.
Yeah. I can't believe this is homemade.
Okay, since we're done with that, Next, we're gonna be adding the marshmallows to it.
It looks dreadful. It looks
Let's
sad.
put one here.
Ooh, you can do a smiley face.
There we go.
Oh my god, a four-eyed alien.
Go. Let me grab it.
Can I put one on?
No. Ah. Mhm.
What about a third layer down here?
Yeah, I'm gonna add that too. And there we go.
It looks like something, but I just don't know what.
Alright, looks good. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and pop this in the oven. Oh, the oven's quite hot.
Careful.
Okay, so we're gonna let this stand for 22 to 25 minutes. Okay, let's set it for 25 minutes. And start. Okay guys, so we've been waiting for 25 minutes. Let's go ahead and take these brownie out. They smell good.
It looks like egg.
Like chocolate.
Yeah.
It looks like egg.
Oh, it's hot too. Oh, whoa. Whoa, look at that. Look at the marshmallows though.
Oh my
They look
god.
like eggs now.
Alright guys, since I have my brownie here, I'm gonna go ahead and put some ice cream on it. Okay, there we go. Next I'm gonna add some sprinkles to it. Let me add the sprinkles. Alright. Alright ladies and gentlemen, now the taste test. It was actually good. It's actually good. The brownies with the ice cream and marshmallow, it's actually good. You want to get some?
Yeah.
Yo. Alright guys, the ice cream with marshmallows and brownies, super delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. If you want to check out my last video, that'll be in the link in the description down below. It's where we were jumping in a huge pile of grass. And if you want to check out my Instagram, that'll be in the link in the descriptions also. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.